Hi folks, Angela here from Vernon Volkswagen. Today I'm showing you a 2018 Habanero Orange Comfortline Tiguan 4Motion. It's a fantastic color. Lots of space back here. Trunk liner, some extra floor mats. It's got the nice alloy wheels. Leatherette interior. You got a USB port, 12-volt power outlet back here for little kids. Keyless entry. Power groups. Power seats. This car only has 26,939 for kilometers. Does have navigation, app connect, dual zone climate control. Nice big panoramic sunroof. Also comes with the assistance systems. Blind spot detection, front assist, and rear assist. For more information on this car and more, please contact Angela at vernonvw.com or call or text me at 250-308-0633. Thank you.